So we started with a 6-foot table and 12 fidgets. We went out to 2 vendor events. One of the summers that COVID was rearing its ugly head, and he made about $400 in 2 events. And I was like, you know what? Maybe we're on to something. Our table started getting bigger and bigger and bigger until we could fill a 10 by 10 tent and then a 10 by 20 tent. People were requesting it. They were excited when they saw us, but they kept saying we need more. We need a space that we could go to if we're at like a Dane County fair or if we're at a local community festival. So we bought an ambulance. We bought a 1991 Ford E350 ambulance and converted it to a mobile sensory room. Everybody kept coming to us saying we need a space. This is great, but I don't have the room in my apartment to develop a sensory zone. I was given a dream by God, and I woke up and I was like, that's it. We're gonna create a family activity center.